Ну что, здравствуйте всем. Мы начинаем наш очередной стрим, в котором я буду работать над аниматиком для ремейка третьего эпизода Morevны. Я буду немного говорить по-английски, если мне будут задавать вопросы по-английски, поэтому не пугайтесь, но большую часть времени я планирую говорить все-таки на нашем родном русском языке. Сегодня стрим будет так же, как и в прошлый раз, немного сокращенный, ну как, раза в два, потому что, есть такие обстоятельства, что мне нужно делать некоторую другую работу, которую я не могу делать на стриме. В том числе и по opensource, то есть там мне нужно настроить всякие штуки со сборкой пакетов связанные, вот, чтобы у меня наконец-то начали собираться тестовые сборки с теми функциями, которые я пишу для opensource, чтобы вы могли их протестировать. Вот, пока я это настраиваю, там могут просто на экране проскальзывать всякие нежелательные вещи, типа какие-нибудь там приватные ключи и так далее. Вот, делать это на стриме не очень безопасно. Hello everyone, we're starting our stream. In this stream I will be mostly speaking in Russian, but if you ask your question in English, I will answer in English. Today I will be working on animatic of Morevna episode 3 remake. So let's get started. Hello Nitish, welcome to our stream. What brings you here? Do you like animation or creating animation? My computer is busy with something and it behaves very slow. Interesting. Okay. You can see, if you compare recent scenes from previous streams, you can see there are a lot more projects than usual. Yeah. У нас, если вы сравните список сцен, то вы можете заметить, что у меня увеличилось количество проектов в такое время. Так, а мы продолжаем. Oh, Jess, hello! Welcome to our stream. Last time you sent me your latest artwork, and is it okay to show it to our audience now? Okay. В прошлый раз так. О, как некрасиво с его стороны. Здесь. Понятно, почему он завис. У меня на этой сцене всегда Теперь вот сейчас Вера работает над этой сценой, и я не могу ее открыть. И каждый раз, когда пытаюсь ее открыть, она у меня зависает. В чем там дело? Кстати, надо будет разобраться. Я даже специально официальную версию скомпилировал себе. В общем, будем разбираться, почему так происходит. Ага. Jess is okay to show her latest artwork. Maybe it's not latest already. So this one. This is very cool. I like the impression, I like the general colors and style. So Jess, this is good work. Keep it up. We're waiting for your next artworks. Okay, and так, теперь нам нужно открыть раскадровку и посмотреть, какая сцена будет дальше. Компьютер мой определенно чем-то занят. Наверное, он решил сделать бэкап. Поэтому все, что нам остается, это терпеть. Окей. Так, вот это все, это будет одна сцена. New. Okay, Jess, you made a new profile picture. Okay. Oh, I see a different profile picture in Discord, but it's too small to see what's. Okay, I see it in. I can see it like this. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. Congratulations. Okay, and now I'm continuing with this. Это будет две сцены. So Nitish asking, Sirmar, how long did you take to make the animation? Well, generally it takes long. I just want to ask how which animation? In general, animation is time-consuming process, and the amount of time depends on the type of animation. Okay, I can see this. And this. Okay. Так, но мы снова будем разбирать это на части все. Вот эту часть аниматика. И будем мы разбирать его следующим образом. Так. И теперь мы сделаем новую сцену. Давайте протестим новую функцию. тысяч. Оба! И он добавляет новую сцену. Круто, мне нравится. А теперь я все-таки хотел бы использовать оригинальные рисунки из раскадровки. Ah, I see. Morevna episode 3. Well, for Morevna episode 3, it took well, I don't remember. It took let's see. Shame on me, I already forgot how much time it took. Okay, let's see. Let's see from a blog post. So, episode 3. Here. So this is here about production report February, more than a month since we started work on the new episode. So episode 3, it started in January 2015. Okay, and now okay, let's see. It's great to have a blog so it's easy to remember. Here, episode 3. It's August 2016. So it's about 1.5 years. Okay. It took 18 months, but this is also because there are a lot of time was consumed by education, because people who participated in this episode, they were educating, learning animation, and production process, and also some part of time was consumed by development, because we are improving open source software when we're doing our animation production. So it's always about improving open source animation tools, and that also consumes some time, sometimes significant time. That's it. Okay. Let's import image. And let's import another one. And third image. How many people made together? Well, there are a lot of people participated in the production of Morevna episode 3, but most of them are participated in particular segments. So most of the work was done by 2 people who worked on the project all the time. Okay. Now let's make it like this. Okay. And let's make this thing level convert vectors. Oh, hold. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, scary. Nothing. How often are you working on animatics? Ah, I see. Well, that depends on the time. Actually, in the recent months, I'm working once or twice a week or on animatics, and in other time I spent mostly on solving technical issues or teaching people or development or just consultations about their animation projects. That's of course it well, so I do not spend much time on animatics because I have much more different roles in animation, because I'm acting as director, as producer, as production manager, sometimes as developer or teacher, etc. Okay, so we have converted to. Oh, thank you, Nitish. I'm happy that you like it, the animation. Did you watch it, Morevna episode 4? I think it is much better than episode 3, because we created it 1 year later. Or 2 years later, I don't remember exactly. Okay. Now we can add it like this. Okay. So let's save, and I wonder if we can convert to vectors this layer also. Oh, it looks cool, but okay. Of course, the animation probably can be made faster, but the idea of Morevna Project is that our our production is not only about production itself, it's also about improving open source software and helping people to learn animation with open source software. And also it generally takes a lot of time to share our results of our work with people, because that's the fun part. It is about sharing. Okay. Okay. Now we've got this. And finally, let's make something about this. Yeah, open source software is awesome. Well, just I agree with you. Thank you, Nitish. Okay, let's vectorize this. Okay. It's so awesome that Ghibli Animation Studio and Dwango decided to make tunes, open source, because it's really a great tool and really helps with general evolution of open source animation software. Now let's make a camera movement. Hello, Nightmare K. Welcome to our stream. Okay, got wrong layer selected. And let's make animation. Yeah, everyone gets mentioned here, so that's the fun part. We have a small and cozy community, so everyone is welcome. Так, не знаю, что делать здесь с композицией. Может быть так. Oh yes, of course, I'm using Linux. Because it is free, open source, there are no viruses here, and yeah, and it is faster then faster, because it uses resources of computer, well, better. Well, Nightmare High, you will, it's very possible you will be animator better than me, because I'm not that great animator. Okay, I don't like this. Okay, that's better. And what if we will do it like this? Okay. Home of Coconut wanted probably to say, I wish you will. Oh, that's... Okay, this is done. Now let's typo. Okay. Now we're going to animate this. This guy. And let's make... Oh! Come on. More trees. So better. This will help to better understand the composition. Okay. Whoa! We have a lot of people on our stream today, and in previous stream we also had many people, but they were mostly Russian. And today we have an English-speaking audience. Oh, so hello Wenderson, and welcome to our stream. So you like real life for opensource? Okay, great. I'm happy to hear that. And let's make a little bit different composition. Like this or like this, I don't know. It's a bit complicated to make the composition. Okay, let's make it like this. Let's shift it and make it moving in the following trajectory. Okay. Like this. Now let's change. Thank you, Nitish. It's really encouraging. Okay, let's make it smooth there. I would like to let's make it like this. So we will cut this guy and create a new layer and paste О, привет, Юра. Здравствуй. Кстати, хорошо, что ты зашел. Я собрал opensource официальный. Чтобы проверить, будет ли на моей системе работать то, про что ты спрашивал. Калька. Так, сейчас мы пока прервемся. Так, только чтобы мне не забыть. Сделаем вот так. Так вот. Мой компьютер прям очень соскучился по бэкапу. Так, запускаем. Зелененький. Так. Мне так не хватает панельки для переключения сцен, теперь я стал зависимым от этого. Там. К хорошему быстро. Кстати, интересно, откроется 4-я сцена. О, 4-я сцена открылась. Это уже хорошо. В официальной версии, значит, она открывается. Очень хорошо. А еще одну сцену. Так. Так, интересно, интересно. Так, а вот эту сцену откроет или нет? Вот эту вот. Так. Ага. Ну, это значит... Так, баг повторяется. Хорошо. Так, но мы не про это тут. Мы не затем здесь собрались. Мы здесь собрались, чтобы проверить кое-что. А именно, как работают кругляши. Ой, onion skin. Крутые иконки кто-то наделал. Тут вообще давно уже, ну. Тысяч. Так, 1000. Sorry. Okay, and let's enable. Короче, Юра, вот такие дела. Это официальный OpenTunes. И в нем работает калька на автоматической анимации. Я думаю, дело либо в драйверах, либо в том, что это версия для Linux. Так, question from Wenderson. Do you prefer to animate with a vector layer? Well, that depends on situation. It's heavily depends on situation. Sometimes I prefer vector layers, sometimes I prefer bitmap layers. For animatics, I often working with bitmap layers, but some parts are better to do by converting them to vectors. And for final scenes, well, that depends on the style, that depends on the situation. Okay, let's open this. For example, in this case, I have converted them to vectors because original bitmap images are low quality with this background, and I wanted to apply filter, and filter doesn't look good for this kind of image, so I have vectorized it, and in this case filter up works very well. Okay, now let's animate this guy. And oh, I've got an idea. What if we will make a slow motion here? Because we have a composition here, we have an object here, and we would like to second object to be here to make the composition weighted, to add balance to the composition. So we can do it in the following way. Let's make it like this, and this stuff like this. Or still maybe, yeah. and this, he will fly from here and will it will be a slow motion effect. So let's soldier 2, soldier 2, and let's make a second layer. And center of this circle, and let's make it like this. So now we can rotate this animation okay. I can make like this, and like this, and here we will have a slowdown like this, like this, and here we will make a linear, slow linear motion. Yeah, okay, it is linear, and like this, and like this. Yeah. So we can make this even slower. 100 frames, and we will have, yeah, exactly like this. And can make it. Yeah, it's kind of slow motion effect, but we're going to spice it up a little bit more by rotating the solder. And here we have rotation, and let's rotate it a lot of times. 2000 degrees. So we'll have animation like this. I think that's great. And here we will rotate him as well, but minus 30, minus 90 degrees. Okay, and 2000 was too much probably, so let's make it 1000. No. Whoa, that's too much. let's make speed in, speed out, but different. It's going to be like this. Okay. Let's check the rotation. This is how it looks. Good. And let's make his movement more dynamic. From here to here. Okay, I think this shot is ready. Just one thing remaining. I'm not sure what we should do with camera here. Okay, this is first version, and I would like to try another version. Just a single movement. Just a single movement, and it is going to be like this. Okay. Well, about the Homa 2D, it is, I think it is great initiative. In general, I like that OpenToons have many forks because many versions because that allows to develop faster development of application because that allows to try various approaches and test them rapidly. But I didn't test it the Homa yet because I wasn't able to run on my system, run it on my system. It just doesn't work yet. Yeah, it fails to open so far. This is the following error. I didn't report it to yet because I haven't time to do this, but eventually I think I will. Eventually I will try to dig what's going on here. But in general, of course, Tahoma is awesome initiative, and I would like to include some features from Tahoma into my version of OpenToons. And I much appreciate efforts of Jeremy on this software. So it's great benefit for everyone. Okay. Sources of Morevna episode 3? Nitish, where can I find the file sources of earlier animations? Do you mean Morevna episode 3 or... Interface of Tahoma is much easier, in my opinion, and have less errors. Yes, of course. That was actually the purpose of creating Tahoma, to improve interface and make it more user-friendly for 2D animators. Well, the problem with OpenToons is because it is already used in many studios, in many professional studios, and they are well, just used for its specific. This is why some interface improvements cannot be applied to official version of OpenToons immediately, because, well, that will make professional studios to change their workflow, and so this is why this is impossible to do fast. And this is why I so happy about many versions of OpenToons. I am happy that we have many editions of OpenToons like Tahoma, because that allows users to have alternative. It allows to users test new approaches and show their benefits, so eventually pro studios can migrate to professional studios also can try them and make a smooth transition from one workflow to another without breaking their production process. Окей, Behemoth, Юра. Я был вынужден отойти, видел, что калька работает официально, так это дело в Linux. Юра, дело либо в Linux, либо в драйверах. То есть у меня NVIDIA. Может быть на NVIDIA, ну, скорее всего в Linux. Вот, либо в видеокарте. Надо посмотреть, как это работает на Intel. На Intel там вообще все сложно. Окей, Nitish asking about sources of Morevna episode 3. So we can go Morevna episode 3. Oh, easier. Sources. So this is a sources of Morevna episode 4, instructions how to work with them. And here sources of Morevna episode 3. They are okay. Oh, broken link. What a shame. Okay, I need to fix that. Okay, anyway, they are available on GitLab as well. Here. So you can watch all files, all source files, and also contribute to this repository. And this link should be fixed right now. Let's check episode 4. Yeah, it works. These are sources for Morevna episode 4. And now let's fix link for Morevna episode 3. Okay. I don't like camera movement here at all, so let it be like this. Okay, and in the meantime I'm going to edit this post. Okay. Oh, that's a wrong link. Okay. It's for release and I need for sources. For sources the link is different. Okay, let's try it again. Discord behaves slowly. That makes me worry. No, it is crashing. Okay. Okay, I did fix it, the link. Here, this is for Morevna episode 3. And here, sources for Morevna episode 4. Like this. Okay, let's leave it like this for now. And let's check this shot. Okay. Oh, I like this little drop. Okay, you're welcome, Nitesh. Good luck with exploring the sources, and I hope they will help you to learn something new, or maybe create your own animations. Remember that you can reuse any content from sources of Morevna episode 3 or 4 to use in your own animations or remixes, so please feel free to reuse them, just give us a credit. I mean, mention in the credits. And that's all. Let's make a slowdown. Юра, да, это Nightless. Ночная сборка. Можно еще немножко поиграться с таймингом. Да, пожалуй, так будет лучше. Я бы даже еще продлил. Во! Так движения камеры менее скованы и, ну, в смысле, менее скомканы. I think I have achieved what I wanted. И здесь. А еще мне не нравится, что здесь... Окей. Я там ничего не поломаю. Скорее всего, поломаю. Ну, конечно. Как бы фокус вот сюда. Что, еще 10 кадров? Интересно, почему так? А, ну понятно, почему так. Потому что я копипастил. Что-то сломалось. Что-то стало не то. Сейчас, вот я не знаю, это на уровне интуиции. Ритм. А было так. Так, кстати, лучше. Так хорошо. Все. Готово. Ну что, друзья, на сегодня все. Спасибо всем, кто присутствовал. Well, this is all for today. Much thanks to... Да, но сейчас посмотрим. А, да он же... Ну, в принципе, почему бы и нет? Юра? Почему бы и нет? Ну, это будет незначительное уменьшение. Но его стоит добавить. Я только хотел попрощаться. Yeah, take care, Jess. Good luck with your... It's with your new artworks. Юра, ну да, круче стало выглядеть. Ну вообще, коллективный разум. Супер. So, this is all for today. Thanks to everyone who participated in this stream. And see you next Friday in the same time here. Thanks to everyone and take care. Goodbye.